Hello, dear and dearest friends. In this video you will learn how to uninstall or remove software from Windows 10 operating system. If you are new in my YouTube channel, click on red button and subscribe my YouTube channel Apex Tech World. I am going to uninstall a vast browser application from my computer. I have already Google Chrome, so I want to remove this application. Go to Search menu. Type Control Panel. Control Panel option will show. Double-click on Control Panel option. Control Panel tab will open. Go to Uninstall Programs. Search Avast browser. Uninstall it. My Avast browser software is removed permanently from my computer. Thank you. Subscribe my channel if you love this video. Love you all.